came to me like someone heaven sent. Soft words, warm eyes, a strange innocence. You move through my life like a gentle flame, and every night I whispered your name. I thought I saw truth behind your stare, but love can build a person out of empty air. I loved a shadow wearing your face, a beautiful lie I couldn't replace. Every word you said faded above. I gave my whole heart to someone who couldn't love. You knew exactly what my soul could hear, every silent hope, every hidden fear. You said the things that make a heart believe, then slowly taught that heart to bleed. I held your promises like broken glass, not knowing every one of them was meant to pass. I loved the shadow wearing your face, a beautiful lie I couldn't replace. Every word you said faded above. I gave my whole heart to someone who couldn't love. Now I see the spaces between every line, all the hidden truths you buried in time. You never wanted me, not even once, not in your touch, not in your voice. I was alone while you remained, holding tight to a ghost my own heart made. I loved a shadow wearing your face, a beautiful lie I couldn't replace. Every word you said faded above. I gave my heart to someone who couldn't love. Now the night feels honest, quiet and clear. No more ghosts pretending to be here. And the girl who once believed every word you said is slowly learning. Some people are only stories we tell our hearts before they break.